only giving you Draco Sack and Spell with the Judgment.
Sup, Team Exile? We're here with another box opening. Part 4, right?
Yeah.
Alright,
Cool.
cool. Another box. Here we go.
He's gonna pull a Judgment Day, Drago Sack. Well, pretty much 3 of each.
And get the Who Cake. Nice. Super.
Pretty cool because he's playing the deck.
Yeah.
But now I got 5.
Wait, you gonna use that?
Now I got 5.
Oh. Dang. And he gets nice Omega. That one's actually good.
It's ulti too, right?
Yeah.
Hey,
no, it's Ultra.
This guy to less, huh?
Dang, already 2 packs, 2 hollows. Alright, so there's a rare right there.
That means there's gonna be
you're actually. I think you're gonna get a good secret.
It's gonna be Draco Sack. We all know that.
Yeah, because the cards are different.
We're all gonna be jealous. It's gonna be Draco Sack. It's right here. It is right. Damn it.
And a shark.
Put a pack to the side.
Shark Fortress. There. Oh my god. Look at that.
Right there.
You get 2. Would you play the deck then?
If I get 2. If I get 2 in this
card,
box,
right?
yeah.
I love that card.
You needed a 3rd, right?
Yeah.
Cool.
So now I need 2 more Draco Sacks.
Gets the barrel. Do a barrel roll.
Hey, so these are
That's what it's called.
these actually are 3 good hollows.
Yeah, that is good. That's really good.
It's crazy that the elemental dragon stuff counts as hollows.
Yay!
Oh.
Tempest.
Oh, nice. For the harpies, right?
Yeah.
Super.
Good box.
That's a good box, actually. Yeah.
With the Drago Sack.
That's not bad.
What is that?
Ultra Mega Phantom Beast.
Yeah, that's actually. I heard those are gonna be pretty good.
Ulti.
Yeah, but who's gonna play it? They need Draco Sack.
No, you can play without Draco Sack.
And the Ice Beast.
Huh? I'm
Rare.
gonna get a pack with just all XYZs.
That's all what?
All XYZs. A common XYZ, rare XYZ, secret XYZ.
Oh, that's a baby dragon.
Dude, the
Another
baby
rare.
dragons are like...
Big whale.
Nah, hey, but you're getting some good stuff right now.
Oh yeah, this is definitely pretty good. The hollows are pretty good.
Yeah.
So this is Dragon Sack, hey guys.
Calling it.
He's saying this one's gonna be Draco Sack right there. So he's gonna save it.
I gotta be right, 1 out of 100.
0.5 out of 100?
Alright, Draco Sack. That's not bad. It's still a good box.
Heck
It's still
yeah.
a good box.
That's like 20 right
I
there.
didn't get my Draco Sack, but it's still good.
It is a good box, though.
Yeah.
Hey, so can we open up that middle one?
Oh,
Nah, it's for the end. It could be 2 secrets.
2 secrets, okay.
Yeah, never know.
I seen 5 secrets pulled in 1 pack.
Wow.
Now,
One pack.
Clay didn't pull 2 today.
No.
Clay didn't actually pull 2 secrets today from the set.
And just a rare. This is really good.
I believe it's a secret, you know what? It's still a secret.
If not, he's gonna get more elemental dragons.
Another rare. How many packs left?
8
packs?
7.
Oh, 7. 7 packs.
What?
Sometimes I'm
You make fire
serious.
fists now.
Sometimes it doesn't seem like you get a rare.
It seems like it. It's right here. It's right here. It's right here. It's right here.
Super Ghost Fairy Phobia.
Alright, Tachyon, let's do this.
How many?
We still got one more
many
Ultra,
supers do
right?
you
I
have?
think. Or you haven't got Ultra yet.
I think it's 1 Ultra, 1 Super.
Oh, you got an Ultra, huh?
I got 1.
Yeah.
So you
So
get
1 Ultra left, 1 Super. 1 Ultra and 1 Super left. So Kirkyon's left. Oh, that's not bad.
That's not bad. The cover card, right?
Yeah. So now it's the Super Kirkyon and then Ghost Drago Sack.
Ghost. Oh, shit.
Ghost Drago Sack. That's gonna be a misprint.
It's rare.
It's like 2 elemental dragons per box.
3 packs left, right?
2 left.
max 3.
It's
You get
rare.
tons of baby
So this
dragons.
is a Kirkyon, that's a Drago Sack. What are you calling it?
So you got a ghost and you got a ultra left, card.
Who's a ghost? That'd be funny right now. Who's a ghost? Alright, this is the pack that we were waiting for the whole video.
It's gonna be a Karakion. I'll be okay with that.
Let's see. Is it? Oh, okay, he's gonna do this. He's gonna torture us. I think that was it.
Now he's feeling it.
It's nothing.
Oh, that's not bad. That's super, I guess. That was it. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching.